into this hole here, which is unused, and take this bolt off here and put this in there. Now, when they give you these little pieces of silicone, because these things are slightly smaller than the holes they go into, so you have to take a little piece of this and stick it onto the nuts, to the bolts. But the tools that you need to do this are scissors to trim those little pieces of silicone. That's a 12-inch or 12 millimeter socket, a 13 millimeter ratchet wrench, 13 and a 12 millimeter wrench. And I also have a telescoping support to hold the hood up, because we're going to have to take the strut off to do this. So I'm going to put this on here to hold the hood up while we take that off. I already put this one on, so that's the way this is going to look. This one's a little different because you have to take the strut off, the support off, and that's what I'm going to try to do right now. So now I have to see how this comes off. I think it just sort of unsnaps, but I didn't. Okay, to go. Okay, I'm going to get a pair of pliers to squeeze those together and take it off. Okay, just got to pull this out of there like that. So add a screwdriver to your list of things. Tubing. And the fatter one is for this up here. And what you want to do is just cut a piece of this off that's a little bit longer than what you really need, so that it can squish on there. And what it worked out for me was, it's basically you cut this about in half of what they give you. Cut it about in half. And that goes on here. And this goes on here. See how it sticks out a little bit? Like that. So then it'll get squished on there, take up that space. Bolt off here. And this is the thinner wall stuff. This is like thin wall here, and you just cut a little piece of this off. Again, a little bit more than half of what they give you. Oops, and then you got to put this thing in. Facing to the inside. Okay, you can see that it got squished in there. And this just pops on there. Like that. And then you have to lift the hood up a little bit to get that one on. So take that thing out. There, that's it. And that's it. So then we test it out. Okay. Should be able to close the hood. No problem, and open it, and it should stay up, and it does.
Yeah, looks good.